Welcome to another video and episode on my fischertechnik robo interface programmed in BASIC. The robo interface is connected via USB, powered of course via an AC adapter, although it has a possibility to be powered by a battery pack. Connected also by serial interface RS232, outgoing to computer. So this is ingoing, this is outgoing. Then it has two types of memory, of which two are flash and one is random access memory. For BASIC I use flash memory for the compiler, for the interpreter actually, and the random access memory for the program itself. For motor outputs, one output is serving as an input for the LED. Then two inputs, one for the 8 digital inputs, of which are two now for switch and photo transistor. Analog input, of which there are a few, and this is for sonar, and then for different others. So this is active sonar, with a minimum reliable distance of 2 centimeters. So anything less than 2 centimeters is very unreliable distance measured, and the rest is supposed to be reliable. Then a main motor and a power motor. And this serial interface is in this case intended for debugging. So with the print statement I print everything to screen, and since this one doesn't have a real screen, it is received by minicom serial terminal, but I've also written a program in the scientific language Octave to read stuff there, and possible to catch everything into vectors and read more data and show graphs eventually. So the basic language is written on the computer, compiled into a hex file, then uploaded here where it is interpreted. So with the current situation, let me upload, which is quickly done. Then I have to here select 1, 2, and then go. LED starts, motor starts, and then this motor goes, and depending on the distance you have a different speed. Then also, which I do have here, is a flashlight. So let's do this again. Alright, and then, well, I do shine, but the result of this is only be watchable on screen. And now I notice that I haven't set the speed of minicom in the correct way, because this speed is not maximum speed, so I have to adjust that. So let's take a look. Right, so little introduction again for this part of the video. Window with compiler, which I haven't used yet because I'm using an existing one. Uploader, which I did use. Find a program for RAM overwriting the destination and then upload done. the point is now that if I use it again in the current situation, I will have to power off and power on because it can't override the continuing program. Then obviously the camera, minicom terminal, and if I now use the light, then it immediately says, okay, there's a photo transistor. And when I move the battery pack, then you will see that that not only the motor changes speed, but also other values for the phototransistor, and that's exactly what it has to say. So that is one thing. Another thing is, how does Octave do? Well, first thing, in Octave I have to load the package instrument control, clear all things, set the distance, which I had to do in minicom as well. Then while through, scan for a keyboard hit for the key X. If so, break it. Then clean the serial interface and close it. If not, just keep on going for reading 22 bytes. Then these are read in bytes with character data. You convert all bytes into readable ASCII data. ASCII is an acronym standing for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So basically it gets sent over in readable data. What I can do for fun is just put the data and then character data to show you which is which. Maybe nice. And then add flash standard output. Quite important, because then I see everything right away. Otherwise I'm looking for quite some time at the blank screen, and then when I end it I see all output, and I don't like that. Anyway, now another thing is what I also showed last time. Yeah, and this is, by the way, in Dutch, my intentions for now. Growing size factor and writing to a file. But that's, let me just show what I intend to show now. So, I'm starting it. And at the same time, look at the not so nice output now in minicom. So it now has to divide the incoming data between Octave and minicom, resulting in utter rubbish. So then I say leave minicom. Okay, stop it. Yeah, stop it. X undefined. No. Go. Yep. And now I can press X and poof, it ends. Exactly what happens. So now I am going to let the vector grow. And that's a bit tricky, because I cannot distinguish yet which is which. I have, as minicom shows, let me scroll back, I have a distance smaller than smaller or equal to 5. I have a distance larger than 5. I have sonar values. And I have digital input, which is either 0 or 1. So I should have more variables to put things in. And that's a bit of a problem, because how do I distinguish everything? If I look in here, everything is just like that. It's reading bytes, not data. Although data are bytes, but I hope you know what I mean. So that's going to be a challenge. Also, what I'm not particularly happy with, I have 4 whiles. So it starts with this one, obviously it's sequential. Pressing it, or pressing the thing gives me this. After that, it goes continuously on with this, so it never reaches it so far. Let me do this again. Although right now that is not really useful. Yeah, right. Let me just start it. This is the wrong speed again. No. This is correct speed. Yep. Now let's see. Okay, now it leaves the motor and it goes to the LED again. Cycle complete. Now go on. Alright, then how do I put things into a growing vector? Well, first of all, initialize the 0 vector. One row, one column, meaning one element, and make it 0. Then introduce it is column row, so introduce a column VE. Then assign all incoming characters into VE1 and then increase VE. That should do it. But will it? Well, let's just see. So, starting. Subscripts must be either integers or really. Something went wrong here. So, once again, 1, 2, something or logicals. Okay, so this has to be 1 then. Okay, fair enough. Let's go. Column 12. No. Line 11, column 12. It doesn't like this. I do assign something in here. So why doesn't it like this? I would have liked to avoid this, but apparently non-conform. The first one is, see, that's the point. I put something in a 1-to-1, and what I'm putting it in, the data is 1/22, and yes, that is exactly what I'm doing, 22. So it can never be in there. So I have to put this into 22 probably. Oh, that is not entirely correct. This, and why is it in, okay, that's better. Oh, oh wait, wrong one. This should be 22, yeah. This is correct, but this wasn't. Now I am very curious if this is going to work out. Please do. Nope. Still doesn't. It still has a problem here, which means it has a problem here. Yuck. Have to find out further. Right, now thinking about this error that I get. Op1 is 1/1, op2, operand 2 is 1/22, which is non-conformant. Well, in matrix algebra that is correct. But now I'm thinking, which is which? So in testing I'll do this. Then I write the content of this one and the content of this, and then I have to cut it short, of course, and it quickly. So let's go. Yeah. Now something new. V is 2, that is correct, but V has size 1 times. Aha. That's a good one. That actually means that I should do it like how actually. I've done this before, but how come it doesn't work now? The other ones in other projects were all 1/1, which made perfectly sense. I have to check this. I will solve it. Alright, so now I have this other point. I mixed up columns versus rows. So columns is 22 bytes because each byte goes in a column. Then I started 1, and now I have this, and there is nothing in it. So right now when I do this, I get all these answers as an answer, 0, 0, 0. And no error. And it just goes on. So I quit this now. Then I am going to do this again. See if that is going to show what I want. And no, it won't. So, although this is now basically a 22 by 1 matrix, I can't fill this matrix with 22 bytes. And it basically says it all because this is 1. And it is not 22 as I expected it to be. Although this is 1, then it goes to 2. So how to fill it up? That's a big question. Or I could do it the other way around, that I have, that is another idea of course, make this 22 and then see how it works out. I think that is the best way. So go again. Nope, straight to error. But then again that is correct because I have this should be it. And this should be actually it, because now I have here a vector v which is filled with zeros for 22 columns and 1 row. Then v element is 1, at least that's what I make of it. And then v22, which is actually not correct. Yeah, it is correct because, oh wait, that's the whole point. Here I am pointing to the 22nd element of row 1, which is only 1 byte and not 22. So will this be alright? Just an idea. Ha. Alright. Yeah. That is the thing. And now I have to make it horizontal, if this is the way. Actually no, it's not. Okay, I have to do it the other way. So I have to put it here. This is, the exact term escapes me now, but this is putting something that's vertical horizontal. No, it's still not doing it. But this is what I want. So now, going back here, and doing this. Exactly the same. And how does data change? Well, you can already see it right here. The columns have now suddenly very different characters. Like here, in the beginning they were all the same. And now they have very different characters. But that's not what I wanted. What I wanted was this in here. And this is not bytes, this is ASCII. So this is not correct. While here, these are bytes. Ouch. Why am I getting bytes? So, with this result, which is not quite what I want, but at least I get now 22 bytes in the vector, which is actually becoming a matrix. Although I want to see all ASCII values and not the bytes. But like with this, I will get the answer. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And please be so kind to donate via either PayPal and or Wired to show your support. You can also support via by becoming a patron and have your name mentioned as a reward. More information about donating and becoming a patron is under this video, including the URL of my website and my social media names. Much more information on my website. This is going to be continued. So have a nice day and bye bye.